Welcome to this channel where we'll be discussing all things project management. We encourage you to subscribe to the channel and like these videos even as we make more videos for your viewing pleasure. We'll be looking at the Project Management Institute as the gold standard for the industry. Feel free to write your comments, your questions, so that we'll address them in subsequent videos. Very soon we'll be conducting a free online course and we'll make available to you how you can be part of it. Do you know that there are a lot of financial benefits attached to being a certified project manager? According to several studies, project managers across the world earn between $60,000 to $120,000 in some places. Even here in Nigeria, studies have put the salaries for project managers entry level at between 5 to 6 million per annum. With so much money available in this space, what are you waiting for? Why have you not become a project management certified professional? In this video and in this channel, we'll be taking you through the processes you need to become certified as a project manager. Project managers have a unique set of skills that cut across different industries, and it makes it easy for them to fit wherever they find themselves. The training program is very comprehensive. It covers areas like business, finance, leadership, strategic thinking, human relationships, communication, stakeholder management, and so many other things. If you would like to be part of this, please subscribe to this channel and like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section. We'll send to you our starter pack telling you how to go about starting your journey as a certified project manager. Thank you very much.